welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be giving a 2-month plus update on my Microlocs journey, and I will also be talking a little bit about my second retightening. Alright, so let's get into this video. Alright, so it's been 2 months plus, well, close to 3 months actually, that I've had my Microlocs in, or since I got my Microlocs installed, and the journey has been, well, in comparison to the maintenance required with my hair prior to having the Microlocs installed, comparing it to now, it's a breeze. Like, I'd have to do less to maintain it. So how can I complain? Really, I can't really complain. So yes, I'm still happy with my decision to transition into Microlocs. So yes, it's been great so far. I will mention just the issues I have noticed with my hair. But yeah, so I will start with the last video I did. Now, by the way, if you've not watched my videos, my previous videos detailing my Microlocs journey so far in the past, do watch them. I will put links down below in the description box, so please do not hesitate to click them and watch them. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, so in my last video I had mentioned about, well, it was my first retightening, and then also mentioning about not washing my hair and sticking to what I was advised when I got my Microlocs installed, not to wash my hair until after the second retightening. Well, the lady who retightened my hair, my first retightening, she said I could wash my hair. I just needed to braid and band it, and I really wanted to wash my hair. So guys, I washed my hair before my second retightening. It wasn't that bad actually. Yeah, it wasn't as bad I thought it would be. Like, in terms of, I thought although I would run into complications or there would be repercussions from washing it, I could interfere with the locking process so far, but it wasn't that bad. The only thing though I did, which I shouldn't have, so I did braid and band my hair, but I washed my hair twice in a week. The reason is, guys, before you judge me, before you say I did too much with it, the reason I decided to wash my hair the second time was I still noticed the dry flakes in my hair after I was done the first time. So I was like, okay, I didn't get all the dryness out. I didn't get all the dry flakes out of my scalp. So I decided to go back in and wash it the second time. I shouldn't have, because with this journey of Microlocs, or locking your hair, and at least in the baby stages anyways, where you're not supposed to put oils, you're not supposed to, I know some people just don't use oils generally with their Microlocs, but in the baby stages you're not supposed to put oils, or you're supposed to do less, or put less hair products in your hair while your hair is still trying to fully lock. So in that stage you're going to encounter dryness. You are. So washing it and trying to get rid of the dry flakes during the wash, I wouldn't say it's futile, but it could be a challenge trying to, like, making that your sole purpose when you're washing your hair, because you don't want to do a lot with the scalp. Yes, you want to wash it, make it clean, but yeah, you don't want to do too much during the washing process. Anyways, I wanted to get rid of those dry flakes, so I washed my hair the second time. And let me tell you guys what happened to me. I unraveled some of my locks. So the locks on this side, I saw that it was completely unraveled. So basically, it was just loose hair after I washed it the second time. So I was like, oh my gosh, what did I do? But anyways, that was fixed during my second retightening, so no worries, no need to fret. If you unravel, it's going to be addressed during your retightening. So that kind of like supports, you know, the prior statement that I had mentioned in my previous video. Again, if you've not watched those videos, click on the link below. But anyways, yes, that supports washing your hair, the importance of washing your hair before a retightening, so that any issues as a result of washing can be addressed during the retightening session, so you get more bang for your buck during those sessions. Yeah, so that's one of the things I experienced. I washed my hair twice, and as a result, some of my locks unraveled, but hey, it was locked again when I went in for my second retightening. Now, what I have noticed with my hair so far, my hair has, I feel it has grown. My hair has grown. There has been growth. The only thing I don't really care too much about is the dryness. The dryness in the scalp. The lady that retightened my hair, the loctician that retightened my hair, said I could apply, so I could have a mixture of water and a little bit of oils in it, right, to help with that. So I've been doing that just for my scalp, directly in my scalp, spritzing my hair with that mixture, not my hair entirely, but just focusing more on the scalp. So, but the dryness is still, I've still been experiencing a little bit of dryness. I'm going to focus more with the rose water this week and see what happens, if there will be any changes if I just stick to rose water with the dryness. But yeah, seems like the dryness is part of my journey, which I don't like. But yeah, so one thing though I will be doing, which I believe will help curb the dryness, is I'm going to be more diligent with spritzing the scalp with water, you know, putting some moisture into it. So I'm going to be doing that more, and I'm going to see how that helps with the dryness, because I can't really dabble into oil, and my scalp is naturally producing its oil. So I'm going to just stick with water and rose water and see if that helps with curbing the dryness. All right, so now on to my second retightening session. It was shorter this time around, so I paid less. I paid 100 Canadian dollars. So that would translate to $50 per hour. So the loctician that retightens my hair, she charges 50 Canadian dollars per hour. And this time around I paid 100. So that means that it took 2 hours. Well, it was a little bit more than 2 hours, but 2 hours was what I got charged for. And so I know going forward during my retightening sessions, I need to at least budget for 3 hours for the retightening. Man, imagine if I had like tiny Microlocs, guys. I would be sitting down there for at least 4 hours. Not sitting down for 4 hours just to retighten. But anyway, yes. So yeah, this time around my retightening session was shorter. It was just 2 hours, so which was great. And she didn't have, because I asked her if there were if she encountered a lot of issues with my locks. And said no, that it's good. So it's just the ones that had unraveled during the wash that she just had to fix. Aside from that, it was a-okay. So I was happy and I was proud of myself, you know. I'm trying as much as I can to do less with it. Well, not do less in the sense, well, do less, yes. So letting it out, as she advised, not doing a lot of styles with it so I don't interfere with the locking process. And at night, scarfing my hair, you know, with a silk scarf, because I don't want no lint getting into it. But, you know, I heard someone told me about a way of how to get rid of lint. I'll be sharing that in my future video. All right, so yes, guys, I just wanted to come here, give you guys a quick update about my lock journey so far. It's been 2 months plus, going on 3 months, guys. 3 months since I locked my hair, and I don't have any regrets. It's been issues I've encountered, or whatever I would consider as a little bit of a challenge, have been minimal. It's not that big of a deal. I've been able to handle it. Yeah, so I have no regrets so far. And yeah, the retightening sessions have been great. I kind of know exactly how much I need to set aside during each retightening session. So it's not, the dollar amount is not going up and down based on different hairstyles. It's just the retightening. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please share, and if you found this informative, please like, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that yet. Your girl is grateful. And guess what, guys? YouTube enabled the super thanks feature on my page, so you know, to support your girl a little bit further, if you wanted to go that route, you can use the super thanks. No amount is too small. I am welcoming all amounts. And I am most grateful, guys. Grateful. So thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my videos, to support your girl. I am most grateful for every watch, for every like, for every share. So thank you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video.